in this sum it is telling that fx equal to this thing x into within third bracket x if 0 less equal to x less than 2 and x minus 1 into x if 2 less equal to x less than 3. You have to show that this is not differentiable at x equal to 2. Now first you understand this thing, this part. See, I have written third bracket x that is equal to greatest integer function. You have to memorize this. When you are writing x in the within third bracket, this indicate that it is greatest integer function. What is the meaning of that? Meaning is that 0 less equal to x less equal to 1, within this interval value of x is 0, and within the interval 1 less equal to x less than 2 the value of x is 1. Here within the interval 2 less equal to x less than 3 the value is 2. Now see here, the interval taken 0 less equal to x less equal to 2. With this interval we have to test differentiable at x equal to 2 or not. Now what is the value of this third bracket x? See here, if we take 2 less equal to x less than 3, then the value of the greatest integer is 2. So see, so I am putting here x equal to 2. See here, I put the value x equal to 2. So here we have to take, see here, we want to take within this interval. So here this 2 is excluded. So what is the value of x? It is 1. So we have to take here 1x. Now x into 1, that is x only. So left hand differentiation you calculate now. L f dash 2, because at the point 2 we want to check. L f dash 2. L f dash 2 means at the point 2. At the point 2, which one is the function? L, that is left hand differentiation, where the value of x is less than 2. Value of x less than 2 where? Here. It is 1x. So here the formula is f2 minus x. 2 minus a is minus f2 divided by minus a is. So 2 minus a is, here 2 minus a is into 1. 2 minus a is into 1 here. Value of x I am putting. And f2. F2 means what? F2 means you put here. Here you put 2. So 2 into 1. Here it is 1. So what is the value is coming? See here. 2 minus a is minus 2. So here that is 2 into 1, that is 2. Minus 1 into a is, this is a is. Cut this. This is a is only. This is a is. Minus 2 into 1, that is 2. So these two cancel. A is cancel. What is the value? Minus minus cancel. The value is 1. Here the value is 1. Now Rf dash 2, that is right hand differentiation. What is the formula? F is plus 0, f2 plus a is minus f2 divided by a is, because at the point 2. Now 2 plus is 2 plus, right hand limit means 2 plus. 2 plus means value of x is greater than 2. So this one, x square minus x. So x square means value of x is 2 plus a. So 2 plus a square minus 2 plus a. Here it is put. Then f2. f2 means here 2 square minus 2, that is 4 minus 2, that is 2. So that put here. Then do the calculation. See here. Calculation you do and get a is equal to 0, so you are getting 3. So there you got 1 and here you are getting 3. That means left hand differentiation and right hand differentiation are not equal. That means the differentiation does not exist. So it is proved. That's all.